Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is our watercolor lettering series and these are some letters that I have been painted. In previous video you had seen letter A and H, and in today's video you will see letter E. So let's get started. These are the letters A and H that I have been painted in previous videos. If you haven't checked out these videos yet, the link is in my description box. You can check this out. So this is the template of letter E. You can just screenshot this. Here I am using sticky tape to get the white sharp border. For the bigger flower I am using pink color. I am giving baby pink color to the letter E. And again for the entire background I am using grey color. And now for the highlighting and detailing, I am using Brusto fine liners, which is in 0.05, 01 and 03 number. Remove the sticky tape and again save this for our next letter, which is letter N, and it's done. Hope you like this video and our watercolor lettering series. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos, and also don't forget to give your comments, suggestions and thoughts in comment section below. So see you in the next video of our watercolor lettering series. Till then, keep creating, keep painting. Bye.